Write each number in standard form. The first question is 2.71 times 10 to the 9. That means we're multiplying by a power of 10 that is 9. So we need to move the decimal 9 places. I will begin with my number 2.71, and because I want to move a decimal 9 places and it's currently existing here, and my number is getting bigger because it's not negative, so I'll move it 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And for each number, or each place that I move the decimal, I fill in with a 0. So the new number has all these zeros. I rewrite my number so that it looks nicer. And as you can see, I have moved. Originally the decimal was here, so looking at my new number, I need to move it 9 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my new number, 2,710,000,000. Let's try a number that is much smaller. So if you look at this second question, it's a negative exponent, so it means we're going to move the decimal in the other direction because this is a tiny number. The first one was a very large number, and this one's a tiny number. So because the exponent is 5, I need to move the decimal 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The new decimal place is here, and I fill in with zeros. I've rewritten the number, and as you can see, just double checking, I needed to move it 5 places to the left. So I started after the 3, and I go 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. The new decimal place is right here. Good luck.